Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to change the rear shocks on this 2006 Pontiac G6. If this video is helpful, smash that thumbs up button, like and subscribe, helps me out a bunch. First thing we're going to do is jack up the car, so you probably want to break your lug nuts loose first, and then jack it up, take the tire off. Alright, so now we're in the trunk, and what you're going to end up doing is taking off these little net things and then unscrew all four of these connectors. Well, probably just these two would be fine. And then show you on the other side where I already have it taken apart. Basically, you just pull this down from up here. You can see over here it's tucked in under here, so just pull it out like this, and then right there is the nut that holds your strut into the body. So take off that nut. Okay, if you're having a problem with the nut just basically spinning the shock, stick your ratchet and socket down there like that. And then come down here and you can just start turning it off like that. Alright, now we're going to take out this bolt right here. Alright, this is how you know your shock is bad. Push it down. Doesn't pop up at all. This new one. Push it down. It's slowly coming back up. This other one is not returning at all. So you can see that slowly moving back up like it should. This one just sitting there. Alright, at this point, put your new one in. Put all the hardware back where it goes, where it came apart, and you're good to go. Remember, I'm going to have links in the description below where you can get stuff like this on Amazon. I make a small cut, really helps me out. Be safe, have a good one, and I hope your project goes well. Make sure to like, subscribe, and all that good stuff, and appreciate you watching. Bye.